हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। मैं बीएल शर्मा, मैथ सर। आज आपको इस लेक्चर में मैं बताने जा रहा हूं किसी पोलिनोमियल का कैसे हाउ टू फाइंड आउट इट्स जीरोस एंड हाउ टू वेरीफाई इट। राइट, फॉर दिस वी आर टेकिंग आई एम टेकिंग a linear polynomial. Let the linear polynomial is px is ax plus b, where a and b are real numbers. Real numbers means rational numbers and irrational numbers together, and the coefficient of x that is not equal to zero. तो इसका हम जीरोस कैसे फाइंड आउट करते हैं? देखिए क्या बिल्कुल सिंपल प्रोसेस है। तो पुट ax plus b is equal to zero, or ax is minus b, and now or x is equal to minus b upon a. Yes, therefore zero of the polynomial px, which is ax plus b, is minus b upon a. Answer. Now, how to verify that minus b upon a is the zero of the given polynomial? So here is the verification. Put x is equal to b minus a. So here is the polynomial is px is equal to ax plus b. In place of x, replace x by minus b upon a as it is minus b upon a plus a cancel out, and this is minus b plus b, that is zero. क्या x की वैल्यू को रिप्लेस करने से जीरो आया है? द वैल्यू ऑफ द होल पॉलिनोमियल इज जीरो because of minus b upon a. Therefore, we can say yes, it is verified that minus b upon a is a zero of the polynomial px, which is equal to ax plus b. Now I am taking second example for you. The other polynomial is let px is equal to x minus 2, and the question is find its zero and verify. Very simple process. Put x minus 2 is equal to 0, or x is equal to 2. Therefore, we can say yes, 2 is a 0 of the polynomial px, that is x minus 2. सिंपल सी बात है, जो भी पॉलिनोमियल है उसको जीरो के इक्वल पुट करो और जो वेरिएबल है उसकी वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करो, वही उसका जीरो होगा। नाउ वेरिफिकेशन। Here verification is replace means put x is equal to 2 in the polynomial px, that is x minus 2. We are replacing x by 2 left hand side as well as right hand side. Right hand side becomes 0. So yes, it is verified. When we replace the value of x by 2, the value of the whole polynomial is equal to 0. That is why we can say yes, 2 is a 0 of the polynomial, which is x px, that is x minus 2, and that is hence it is verified. Now I am taking a quadratic polynomial for you. The next example is find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial px is equal to x square minus 4. It is a quadratic polynomial. Simple. How to solve it? Put x square minus 4 is equal to 0. Factorize left hand side, x plus 2, x minus 2 is equal to 0. And put each factor equal to 0. So put x plus 2 is equal to 0 or x is equal to minus 2. Also put second factor is equal to 0, x minus 2 is equal to 0 or x is equal to 2. So we can say yes, there are two zeros. One is x is equal to minus 2 and other is x is equal to 2. So we can say therefore the zeros of the polynomial px, which is x square minus 4, are 2 and minus 2. Now its verification, I'm here, that is verification. For the verification, what we do? Put x is equal to 2 in the polynomial px, that is x square minus 4. Left hand side as well as right hand side, 2 whole square minus 4, that is 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Yes. Similarly, also put the second value, the second zero means x is equal to minus 2 in left hand side, right hand side, minus 2 whole square minus 4, that is 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So if we replace 2 or if we replace minus 2, चाहे 2 replace करें चाहे minus 2 replace करें, पूरे polynomial का value 0 आ जाता है, शून्य आ जाता है. That is why we can say hence it is, therefore it is verified. I am taking one more example for a quadratic polynomial, and the example and the question is find the zeros of the polynomial px, that is x square minus 5x plus 6. This is a quadratic polynomial of three-term trinomial. So how to find out it? Put x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Factorize it. It is x minus 2, x minus 3 is equal to 0. Splitting middle term से इसको factorize करें. It will be x minus 2, x minus 3. And now put each factor equal to 0. So therefore x minus 2 is equal to 0 or x is equal to 2. Put second factor equal to 0, x minus 3 is equal to 0 और x is equal to 3. So यहाँ पे हमारे पास दो zeros आ चुके हैं, one is 2 another is 3. So we can say therefore zeros of the polynomial px, which is x square minus 5x plus 6, are 2 and 3. ये इसके दो zeros हो चुके हैं. अब हम इसको वेरीफाई करना है. It is now वेरिफिकेशन. वेरिफिकेशन के लिए क्या करेंगे? पहले तो हम 2 को लेंगे. पुट x इज इक्वल टू 2 इन द पोलिनोमियल px, that is x square minus 5x plus 6. So put here 2, that is x is equal to 2, x 2 whole square minus 5 into 2 plus 6, that is 4 minus 10 plus 6. 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. देखो x की वैल्यू हम 2 रिप्लेस करेंगे तो होल पोलिनोमियल की वैल्यू 0 हो चुकी है. Also put or replace x is equal to 3. So it is p3 in this one. p3, that is 3 whole square minus 5 into 3 plus 6. 3 3 is a 9, 5 3 is a 15, that is 6. 6 and 9, 15 minus 15, that is 0. So yes, therefore we can say it is verified that 2 and 3 are zeros of the polynomial, that is px, that is x square minus 5x plus 6, that is वेरीफाइड. ओके, अब एक एग्जांपल छोटा सा हम ले लेते हैं ये क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल का. नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल फॉर यू. फाइंड zeros of a polynomial, that is cubic polynomial. I am taking example here. Px is equal to x cube. Yes, it is all. It is a cubic polynomial because the highest power is 3 degrees 3, but having only one term. So same pattern, same rule, same steps. Put x is equal to 0. So x into x into x is equal to 0. We can write x minus 0, x minus 0 into x minus 0 is equal to 0. इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, देखो. Put this equal to 0 और x minus 0 is equal to 0 और x minus 0 we put x minus 0 is equal to 0 is factor equal to 0. So we can say here x is equal to 0. Therefore, 0 of the cubic polynomial px, which is x cube, is 0. Now verification. Put x is equal to 0 in the polynomial px, that is x cube. So p0 0 power 3, that is 0. So yes, the value of the whole polynomials becomes 0 when we replace x by 0. Therefore, yes, it is verified.